go the engine. Not bad at all. I'm about to take this battery out. Vortec. He's got Vortec in him? Lies. For real? Alternator. That shit look new. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo. Oh. Yeah, she got fluid in there. I think I didn't manage to get that on my clothes. That's crazy. Don't quite know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do something. You know what I mean? That ain't even locked. Chevy, get better. Back with the 1500 build. Got me lucky work bag. About to get this battery out. We're gonna see if we can get her to crank today. That came out easy. These are some of the easiest battery terminals. The screws back in it, they don't come out. Damn, how am I supposed to charge this? They ain't even bother. Sucker rusty. Let's check some other stuff. This seems empty. Definitely got a little something in there. This engine oil. Look like transmission fluid for a second. Check this brake fluid. It's good. Looks nice and clean too. Power steering. What in the fuck? Oh, that's good. All right, y'all. So we're gonna get this battery charged up. We go from there. Put some grease on a couple things. This rusty bolt right here. Shoot, that thing about rotted out. I see why they ain't even bother. We got her on, but we haven't got her to turn all the way on. There go the mileage. Didn't need a boy. Fuck. I'll let it charge up for a second. See if I want to move it so I can start putting in work. Previous owners left some goodies. Some spray guns. Oh, no, it's a Triton too. Got a full toolkit. Fan decks. That spare looks pretty good. Floor squeegee. Little Capri Sun trash. I wonder how hard it's gonna be for me to get these shelves out.